Welcome to the Blindspot YouTube channel. In this video, we're camping through freezing temperatures in northern Utah, cooking with a Dutch oven over the campfire, and exploring the trails on snowshoes.
We just parked the car. We're gonna hike about a half mile up the trail and hopefully find a spot to camp.
Yeah, we got a pretty late start.
About 10 o'clock right now. Well, we're on our way to find our campsite and we just found these tracks. It looks like these are deer tracks headed along this trail with us somewhere, but we're gonna keep going and to find our trail. It's freezing out here. Okay, I think we found our spot. Kind of looks like a horror movie, but there's Kev and Meg over there, and then that's kind of the area. Good trees. Hope I can find a spot for my hammock. All right, we just got all of our stuff up here to the campsite and found where we're gonna set up. So this area is probably where me and Meg will set our tent up, and then Bryson's gonna set his hammock up back there in those trees and build a fire out here. Oh, there it goes. Got it. Oh, yeah. First try.
Finally,
Perfect.
Gets it on the first one.
Here's another one.
Do it again, do it again.
This one. Oh, you want to do that? This is gonna be embarrassing if I can't break this. Alright, we get the fire started. These are just cotton balls with Vaseline on them. Okay, stick it on the end of the stick. And it's cold. Have this blast rod. See if I can, hopefully this lights. Oop. Oop. Gonna maybe put a few things on it. I try to put this away. Alright, maybe let that go for a minute. Give that a minute. My gloves back on. Come on, stay lit. It's out a little bit. There we go. This will the driest looking stuff. Okay, let's set these over. So we got the fire going pretty good now. We need to make some coals because we're making some dessert tonight still. So we got get a lot of this wood burnt. Trying to dry it all out right now. we just got our tents and stuff up, and got some more firewood. Yeah, now we're just warming up a little bit. It's supposed to get down to about 7 degrees Fahrenheit tonight, so it's gonna be pretty cold. Okay. All right, we're gonna make our dessert now. We're making blueberry cobbler. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a pretty simple recipe. Basically, you just get some pie filling, pour that in the bottom of the Dutch oven, and then put some cake mix, white or yellow cake mix over the top, and then you pour just a 12-ounce can of Sprite on top of that, and then let it cook for a while. All right, I might need a spoon. Oh, there it goes. Get it even, probably. Even as you can. Spread it out. A bit of a slant here. Okay. Throw these on some coals. And we'll try to scoop some on top. It's also like 1 a.m. at this point. Everything's taking a lot longer than we thought it would. All right, well, the dessert is close enough to being done.
It is also 2 in the morning now.
Yeah, so
we're gonna go to bed.
Blueberry.
Oh, blueberry.
The cobbler turned out pretty nice, actually.
Oh my gosh!
You got that right?
I did get that. Okay, it's 2:30 in the morning. We're gonna go to bed. So you'll see you guys in the morning. Well, good morning. We made it through the night. Get a fire going. It's so really cold right now.
Yeah, gotta get some coals so we can get breakfast going here in a few minutes. The fire is about ready, so we can start breakfast. So we're gonna start preparing that in the Dutch oven. We're doing a tater tot breakfast casserole. It's pretty simple. So we got about a pound of sausage that I pre-cooked. And then you pour about 2 cups of cheese over the sausage. Then we add this egg mixture, which it's just 3 eggs, 2 cups of milk, and then some salt, pepper, and onion powder. And then lastly, throw some tater tots over the top. It's kind of frozen a little bit. That's okay. Maybe we won't add all of these. Oh. Uh-oh. I'll move it a little closer to me. All right, breakfast is about done. Threw a little cheese on top and let that melt. But you can see that. That's what it's looking like. Let's dish this up.
Okay, we just put some stuff away and we're just starting our hike now. We'll go for probably about an hour and a half up and see where we're at. Like, oh, another animal. Oh, it looks way bigger. Oh, it do look bigger.
It is?
Look at that one. Sounds really cool.
That's some, is these moose tracks?
Moose tracks.
Wow, might see moose up here. There's actually quite a few animal tracks on this trail. I doubt we're going to see any because we're making a lot of noise, but a lot of very used trail. Moose hair. I don't know. Yeah, you can hold up the camera.
Kind of moose hair or deer. Well, we're gonna stop here for lunch, then probably head back. We just have some sandwiches. Yeah, it looks like you can see the moose tracks. We're still walking with that moose. I don't know if it's the same one, but it seems like this trail is pretty heavily used.
Just finished up with lunch and we are on our way back down. We're going to be releasing a 360 video and then also a 2D video. So if you want to see any of the drone shots that we get, you can check that one out.
Well, we're just about to the end of the hike and we realize there's this bone in the tree. I'm not sure what it's from. Probably actually, I don't know, a deer or a moose or I guess it could be like a, who knows. But our camp was also just right through these trees too. It was like right by our camp. So someone put a bone in the tree. All right, thanks for watching. We had a fun time camping and hiking. Hopefully you enjoyed watching. And like we mentioned before, we're gonna release 2 videos, a 360 and then also just a 2D flat video. So make sure to check both of those out on our YouTube channel. See you next time.